Good day friend, welcome back to the Numberland, your favorite place to make physics easy, fun and visual. Today's lecture is all about a super important topic, forces, Newton's law and free fall. We will learn how every movement around us, from a ball dropping to a rocket launching, follows just three simple laws of motion. So sit tight and let's dive into the world of forces and motion. Let's start. What is force? A force is simply a push or pull acting on an object. Forces can, number one, change an object's shape. Number two, change its speed. Number three, change its direction. There are two types of forces. Number one, contact forces like friction, tension, or air resistance. And number two, non-contact forces like gravity, magnetism, and electrostatic force. Remember, the SI unit of force is Newton, named after Sir Isaac Newton himself. Newton's first law of motion, law of inertia. Newton's first law says, an object will remain at rest or move with uniform velocity unless acted upon by an external force. That means if no unbalanced force acts, the motion does not change. For example, a book on a table stays still because all forces are balanced. Number two, a moving car keeps moving unless brakes. Friction stop it. So inertia is the natural tendency of an object to resist change in motion. Heavier objects, more inertia. Newton's second law, when force is equal to mass and acceleration. Here is the most famous equation in mechanics. F is equal to ma. It means the bigger the force, the greater the acceleration. The heavier the mass, the smaller the acceleration for same force. For example, if you push a bicycle and a truck with the same force, which one accelerates faster? Yes, the bicycle, because it has less mass. The unit of force, Newton, is defined as 1 Newton. It's equal to force required to accelerate a 1 kg mass by 1 meter per second square. Newton's third law, where action is equal to reaction. This one is short but powerful. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It means whenever object A pushes on object B pushes back on object A with the same force but in the opposite direction. For example, when you jump, your feet pushes the ground down, the ground pushes you up. The recoil of a gun, bullet moves forward, gun moves backward. So next time you walk, remember, even your feet are using Newton's third law every second. Free fall and acceleration due to the gravity. Now, when an object falls under the influence of only gravity, it's called free fall. No air resistance, no friction, just gravity pulling it down. The acceleration in free fall is called g, and near Earth's surface, it's approximately 9.8 meter per second square. That means every second the speed increases by about 9.8 meter per second downward. Drop a ball. After 1 second, it's moving at 10 meter per second. After 2 seconds, approximately 20 meter per second. All objects fall at the same rate if air resistance is ignored. Whenever it's a feather or a rock. Galileo proved this long before Newton. Cool, right? That's all for today's lecture on forces, Newton's law and free fall. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Numberland. In our next video, we will explore work, energy and power, another exciting part of the mechanics. And remember, physics isn't about memorizing, it's about understanding the world around you. See you in the next class and keep learning, keep rising with Numberland.